Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked how to uninstall a file correctly. I want to show you example the correct way to uninstall particular file from your PC. Let's say we want to uninstall this Oracle VirtualBox. What you need to do is you need to press the Windows and R. So if you press the Windows sign on your PC and R, it will show you run. Then you type appwiz.cpl. Then you select OK. Then it will bring out all the files on your PC. For you to uninstall the particular one, then you need to look correctly from the list. We want to uninstall Oracle VirtualBox. Then you select on it, go on top and select uninstall. It will ask you, are you sure you want to uninstall Oracle VirtualBox? Then you select yes. It will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Then you select yes. You can see that it's working, it's getting ready, gathering required information. Please wait while Windows configure Oracle VirtualBox. So this is how to uninstall the file. If you want to check if the Oracle is uninstalled correctly, what we need to do is we need to close this file, then go back to the home page to check if we can find Oracle or it is gone. So we close this window and this is the home page. Remember previously Oracle was on this spot and you can see that it's empty. So this is how to uninstall any particular file correctly from your PC. I hope this helped you. Please like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.